Hey there Roblox adventurers, if you've been facing issues with your voice chat not working as expected, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through the best methods to get your voice chat up and running smoothly. Let's jump right in. Now, we have two methods, which is method 1, enabling voice chat, and method 2, checking in-game sounds. So for step 1, we need to access Roblox settings. Start by navigating to the Roblox website and accessing your account settings. So let's go over here and then let's go to settings. Now within your account settings, go to account info. Make sure that your age is verified, as voice chat might require age verification. Then we go to step 3, which is to enable voice chat. Now head to the privacy section of your settings and enable voice chat. This step ensures that your account is set up to utilize voice chat features. There you have it. Now for method 2 is checking in-game sounds. Another reason for voice chat issues could be related to your in-game audio settings. Now let's open Roblox right here. And we have, for method 2, we have step 1, which is to adjust the volume. So open your in-game settings and make sure your volume is turned up. Sometimes low volume can lead to voice chat problems. See over here, we have our volume low. Then we can just put it up here. Like that. Then step 2 is to verify a microphone input. Check if your input device settings is right and make sure that the microphone you are using is selected correctly. Incorrect microphone settings could lead to voice chat issues. And there you have it. By following these methods, you should be well on your way to fixing any voice chat problems you've encountered in Roblox. Remember, technical issues are common, but with a little troubleshooting, you can get back to communicating with your fellow players. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more gaming tips and tricks. And hit that notification bell to stay updated. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Happy chatting and happy gaming!